Hi guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 19th. Time is 11:46. And let's see what we can do for today. Again, I have added some things on my list so far. One is a BITO, the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Trust, basically. And I'm going to make a separate video based on the targets for the Bitcoin SQQQ and SPY cash, about the technical analysis, uh, what I'm looking into it, so that way you guys can understand. And if you guys having a big type of a portfolio, how to protect it using wicks and all, how to balance it, so that way if in case the market goes down, because I have watching something which I did not like it so far, and if in case the market goes down, you should able to protect your portfolio, in other words. Okay, so this is the today we're just going to trade regular, but I'm going to make a separate video based on this Bitcoin SPY long term, like what is exactly doing with the VIX, and within gold and all those things, SQQ, whether you should go for SQQ or whether you should go for VIX. Okay, so those are the most important one, with the Dow Jones and all, what they are exactly doing up, because I have seen some things in the market which I did not like it. So there's some type of a crash might come up, a small crash, not a big one. It all depends. It starts with a small, and then later on it becomes a big. That's how it is also, because uh, whatever is happening right now, whatever I see on the market, which is not so good, I do not like it. I don't like it, whatever's going on for last couple of this. Basically, if you go and check, this is like almost like a from the September chart, and it's like up down up down up down up down. So again, this is not a good, signal, because they are filling up big orders somehow. That's what I can tell you. Because if you see all other moves, these are like big moves, big, like, and later on it dropped. But this is like up down up down up down up down, slowly. This is like, again, the slow moves, which I hate, the slow moves. So again, I'm going to make a separate video for this, because I feel like there's something else is coming in the market, and you should prepare for it before it becomes too late. That's what I feel. And my this technical analysis video, you should be watching it very carefully, because that will going to save you money, or might prepare you what is coming upcoming for the moves in the market. Because the big boys, when I call big boys, the big banks like Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Chase, Merrill Lynch, Barclays and all, they are not playing with the small money, they are playing with the big money. And they have the most money. Again, the leader over there is like the Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, Vanguard and all. They are the one who are like the leaders. They are holding like a lot of assets and all. So I'm not calling for a crash, but it can be started with a small crash, and later on it can follow with a big crash. That's what it is. So please be careful. Trading is always risky. Any type of a trading, crypto, bonds, futures, you name it, like, anything done electronically, buy and sell, it is risky, no doubt. So please consult your financial advisor or a broker before you take a trade. Whatever I say in this video is for your education purpose only. So please be very, very cautious what you do next. So it's your money, you're putting your money in risk, basically. I'm here to give you the information. Whatever resonate with you, you can take it, or if it doesn't resonate with you, you don't need to take it. And Again, this is all my opinion. You don't need to follow them. You can do your own research. The All the research is right on the internet, no doubt. Okay, it's not like a rocket science. Everything is right there. You can check. So whatever I'm feeling, I'm like not feeling. I mean to say, like, whatever I'm watching it on the charts, and based on the charts, I don't feel, I don't see good. Again, I'm saying I don't feel good. I don't still see good. So my feeling can be totally wrong. So that's the reason I don't go with the feelings. The feeling, I don't count with my feelings. But whatever I see on the chart tells me everything. Okay, the chart is the one who tells me everything. So if I see something not so good, that means I have to ring the bell a little bit for you guys to be cautious regarding this. Okay, again, guys, please uh, consult your financial advisor or a broker before you take a trade. Okay, because I feel like I have been watching these things now couple of days, and it's not moving according to my psychology. It's not moving according to my psychology. This can be they're like filling up some of the orders right over there. That's what I can tell you. This is like a up down, but it's like a slide again. Up up down, up up down, up up down, and that means they're filling up a lot of orders. This can be a sign, which is you will see, the next day when you wake up, because they know exactly how much is the volume, how much after market the volume comes up, how many orders gets filled. Goldman Sachs, they have their own exchange, basically. They have Sigma exchange. Go make a research on it. And they have exchanges all around the world today. It's not like back in time, okay, we have exchange only in America or something like that. No, so they have exchanges all around the world, and they know how to fill up their orders. Then if the order doesn't get filled up in US, they will going to call Europe, and they will going to fill up their orders right over there. So they know what they are doing exactly, because they have the most money, and they have a order pattern also, which you have to be very very careful. They know exactly. And in other words, yesterday I have seen somebody say, like, they have like about the Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. Okay, let me explain a little bit about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very good, no doubt. Okay, Bitcoin is not going anywhere. It is here to stay now. Why I say that? Because there are a lot of ETFs about Bitcoin. There are a lot of things going on the Bitcoin. Like, people just don't. Some people, they don't like Bitcoin, but they like the technology behind the Bitcoin and all. So yes, again, if the market goes down, Bitcoin has to go down also, because there are a lot of ETF in US market about the Bitcoin. Okay, don't think that if the market goes down, Bitcoin will going to go up at some point, until unless there are a lot of people buying it, then it will go repel the US market. Okay, but right now there are a lot of hedge fund who are like stacking their money with the Bitcoin. Okay, so this is one of the Bitcoin ETF. Then this is one of the Bitcoin trust, basically. Go make your own research, please, before you take a trade. Okay, and when I see this I made a video when the Bitcoin was a little bit low, back in over here, I guess. So at this point the Bitcoin has already moved up. If you go and check, and I call the Bitcoin will be like 70 to 80,000 to 70,000 a Bitcoin, and it might come, not today, not tomorrow. It will going to come. It's a long term, basically, long term bet for like next 5 to 8 years, something like that. Okay, I'm not calling it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So yes, but there are a lot of people who are saying, like, I made this much of money, I made it that much of money. Well and good if you did. Like, I'm not here to tell you that you did not made it or something like that. But the people want some type of a proof that you made money. You see my proof. When I'm buying it, you see the position size of it right over here. You see the money moving in and moving out every single time. That's my proof. I'm showing you how exactly I've been doing it. I don't do the same thing in the Bitcoin because I don't Bitcoin. You see this, guys? I'll show you something. Why I don't do what I don't do. Okay, I know what exactly I'm doing. Again, you see this option. They don't even move. So if they doesn't move upside or downside, most likely they are moving to the downside because they have a delta. Okay, they have everybody has a delta. All the options have, and I'm a option trader. So first thing first, like I don't trade Bitcoin because of that reason. I need something which is very very liquid, like S&P. S&P moves up and down with a 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute chart, and guess what? Check this one. It's moving. I want something which is moving. Which is not moving, it loses you money. That's what it is. It will going to lose you money. Okay, guys. So again, if the things are moving, I'm ready to trade. If the things are not moving, I'm not ready to trade because I don't like to put my money in risk. I'm very very careful about my moves. Basically, that's in other words. Okay. Most people will not going to show you this. Most people won't tell you their secret also. Okay, this is like I'm not keeping any secrets. Basically, I'm telling you, I'm giving you all the information whatever you need to make it. Okay, so most people won't even give you this information for free. That's what I can tell you because I know people don't like. Even I do that because I know very well, even if I give you all the things for free, you will still not going to use it. You're still going to make a mistakes because there are a lot of people who are like watching my video, but they're not watching very closely what exactly I'm doing. So again, I know this. A lot of people after giving this information also they don't use it. After like they know what are the steps also. They saw me how I do it also, but still, that's the reason I want you guys to watch it. Not only watch it closely. Watch it closely if you want to make money. That's what I can tell you. It's not by accident I'm making money. It's not a fluke by I'm making money. I know what exactly I'm doing it. So I'm doing it in front of you, recording it, and then publishing it. That's what it is. So again, let's just trade, guys. Okay, I'll make that separate video about what do you call it, about the technical analysis and what I'm thinking, why I'm thinking, and what I'm looking into it, because there is a big bill. I feel like they are like stacking up some type of money. Okay, they might use it first to take their, it's always like that. The bank are the one who makes the decision to move in and move out, and they like to see how much the volume and everything. They have been studying every day. No doubt they have a lot of people like me. They have probably like thousands of people like me who is trading for them, and they have thousands of people who are doing the technical analysis and everything. Okay, don't get me wrong. So there is not like a one or two people who are making the decision. Yes, but it comes to the later on to make that decision, they will go and send that orders to computers. No doubt, the computer is the one who going to execute all those orders. So what I'm trying to say, like they have a lot of people, and then when they made this to move in and move out, they know exactly, based on like sorry, based not on like actions. They have the first knowledge basically from the White House, from the other countries, from the oil industry, from everywhere. That's what I can tell you. So yes, again, let's just trade, guys. Okay, let's just trade. I almost give you guys lecture for like 14 minutes. That's what I can tell you. Okay, let's just trade. SPY is looking good, guys. SPY is like moving up and up, but moving up and up. Just watching, guys. Watching this move. Alright guys, looks like it wants to go up. Let's just buy. I'm going to buy only small amounts today, not too much. I have already bought 25 right over here, guys. I want you to watch what exactly I'm doing. It's been already minus $12.50. You'll see the money moving in and moving out from my account very quickly right over here, and you'll see the position sizes right over here. I'm buying more. Buying more, guys. Looks like trying to be a bullish flag. Already holding 55. Watching over here, but there are a lot of orders over here, and it's showing some promising result to go up. 55. I think I pick up the wrong option, guys. I think I have picked up the wrong option. God, Jesus Christ. I did pick up the wrong option again. This is another thing too. Shh. Because it was moving up, but the option was still losing. That can be a lot of signs too, because the option is the one who moves first. But those options are very, very liquid, no doubt. Shit. It was showing some promising result, but guess what? It did not. It was a trap, no doubt. So I'm holding 70 option right now, and I don't like this option because I am holding a very, very low option. Basically, that's what I can say. You know what? Let's just exit, and that's fine. Again, let's just pick up the right one. I was picking this one. I picked up this one by accidentally, somewhere between like 50 to like 45, which is good. Again, I'm lost so far. $270. $270, no doubt. I'm watching it, guys. Watching. Okay. Buying it. Holding 30. Candle has already settled. This is a 1 minute chart, guys. 1 minute chart. Looking good. Adding more. 40. Holding. That's what happens, guys, when you open up with the wrong position. You see, I have lost. They are selling it. They're selling it, guys. Let's go to the opposite direction. They're selling it. I'm holding puts. I'm going on the puts, guys. I'm already down $455. holding almost like 900 options, and I'm down $720 so far. Don't tell me now. Shh. Okay, guys, I'm almost down 1,200 almost dollars. I'm gonna add up more shorts on this one. 120 shorts already in. I'm just gonna hold it, watching, guys, very carefully. That's what I thought, but someone is buying too at the same time. It's not coming like a pressing down, basically, and when it's not coming pressing down, it can go up a little bit. Just watching, guys, watching how this is playing out, because I have shorts on, and I have already lost $1,150 so far, and I'm still kind of watching it right now. It's showing strength. It is showing strength, no doubt. I'm holding 120 put options, not call options, put options, guys. Just watching, guys, watching. They're getting ready to downside, or it can pop up to the upside. So my fingers are right here, no doubt. The volume is a little bit low. See this, guys, the volume is a little bit low. They're taking it on top. Can be trap. It's not a trap, is it? No, it is a trap. Only 17,000 K. The volume is low, but it's going up. I'm losing $1,500. I'm losing $1,500. God, it's moving up. Adding up more. I've added $1,500. Holding 160 so far, losing $1,600, guys. Losing 700, 1,700 so far. I'm adding more. I've added 180 options. 180 options, guys. I've accumulated a lot of options. $190, $200, I'm losing $1,580. I want one move to the downside. This is not good. It's like popping upside, so I sold it, guys. Let's go, let's move to the upside, guys, because guess what, that was a pretty much very good buy from them. They are buying it, so I'm gonna hold up on the other side of it, because that was a hammer candlestick again, holding 100, 210 calls. Because it was not coming down. I don't like this candlestick now. I don't like this candlestick now. This will be a lot of brokerage money today. holding 100 and 230, sorry, 230 calls, 230 calls. Come on. $250 calls. That's 54 cents. God, Jesus Christ. I sold my puts and it's turning downside now. This is a lot of options, no doubt. A lot of options, guys. A lot of options. God, I sold my puts and it's coming down. It's still going to be fine. Do you know why? Because the puts were not moving to the downside also. So there are like a lot of buyers. That's what I can say. No doubt about it. There are buyers. Because at the same price, the put should have made me at least came to break even, but it did not made me break even also. So there were like buyers, no doubt about it. This is a very good buy. I'm not adding up anymore. I'm not adding up anymore, guys. There's a reason I'm not adding up anymore, because it's already I have added up 275 call options. 275 call option I have already added up. That's a lot of money. This is a very good move also. This is a very good move again. I like to add up a little bit more at this point. I've added 300 call options, guys. 300 call options. I like this move. I like this move. Better move up. Yes. Better move up. Better move up, my friend. I'm a little bit worried holding 300 because it won't get filled also if I want to sell it. If I want to sell it, it won't get filled, guys. There's like too many options. I have to sell half of it before it even get filled because that's like too many options. Probably I have to hit 2-3 times in order to get this order filled. Sold, guys, sold. And I'm gonna watch up $270. Press 2 times, so very good filled, no doubt. Like not that good. It was like very nice, I can say, but I was like very worried. Very worried about it. So far, how many options? God, Jesus Christ. 1,220 options. That means this all money is just made for the options. For the broker. That's what I can say already. 1,200 options. 1,200 options. Just looking into it. Oh God. I'm still kind of like down $100 on the broker side. Watching, guys. I'm watching it. I'm just watching it. I don't feel right about these moves. There's something is going on, no doubt. Like I said beginning, also they are filling up some type of orders. Also, they're filling up some type of orders. That's what I can say. Because of a lot of reasons I have seen it. Like otherwise the moves are coming. The moves are coming one day up, one day down, which is not right. So there's a supply zone right over here, no doubt. So I don't want to go short also at this point because of a lot of reasons. There are a lot of buyers. There are buyers, but they're not. There are sellers too. So I want to see my puts at this point. I just want to pick up my puts. want to make some money over there, but I'm still losing in the brokerage side, guys, because it's just $270. Just to let you guys know, still it shows you up that I'm losing on the commission side of it. I'm losing. So again, oh god, that moved with the call should have made me very good. That move with the calls should have like made me very good move, like would have made me at least $1,500 right over there. So I'm still kind of watching. I'm looking to buy a puts. Holding 35 puts. Holding 45 puts. Watching it, guys, very carefully. Sold. It's not coming up. It will going to go up. That's a very good buy right over there. So changing to put 2 calls right now. Holding 10, 15, 20, holding 30, You must be thinking what just happening right now. I'm also thinking the same. I move out of my puts and it's like came down again. Okay, buying it. This is showing some good strength. Buying it. This point. I'm going to add up more at this point. Holding 130 so far. I have to go a little bit of aggressive, no doubt. Oh gosh. That made me worried, no doubt. Shh. To buy more dips. Check the volume, guys. This is not good. This is not good. $150 calls. This is good. Come on, move up a little bit and give me at least to make me $500. I'm holding 150. God, don't come down. Go up a little bit, my friend. A little bit more, little bit more, little bit more, little bit more. Come on. Come on. Sold, guys. Sold. $1,060. $1,060. But there's a commission. Let's check how much is the commission. 1,620 options altogether has been traded. Sorry. So sorry. 1,620 options. There's a $486 commission. $486 commission so far. So I probably made like $500 today. No doubt. So today is not so good for me, no doubt. I was thinking that I might make $1,000, but this was a first mistake, picking up the wrong option. I guess I clicked on the wrong one, so that was my first mistake. Second mistake, I cannot say it was a second mistake, but it came down, but it did not basically made me money. So I cannot say that it was like a second mistake, that put options. So but then when I moved to the calls, I was able to make money. So again, this was a very good move then if I sold it right over here, because again, supply and demand, based on that, everything is based on that, and with the MACD and the source stochastics and with the volume, supply, demand, 1 2 3 4 to 5 of them, those are my biggest day moving averages. That's what I can say. I don't use the moving averages, but those are the indicators and supply and demand, basically. That's what it is. And today, so I would have made maybe a little bit more, but guess what, still I'm happy with my $500. I'm not getting too greedy, basically, in other words. And again, most people, they do lose because they want to stick with the market, wants to make more and more and more, and that's the reason they lose. So I'm taking my money and I'm running it. That's what I'm exactly doing it. Taking the small profit and run. Take the small profit and run, basically. That's what exactly I'm doing it. Again, I'm going to make that second video about what I'm looking into the charts for upcoming months and years, basically in a year. There's a I don't know, I don't call for a crash. There might be a big like a small correction. That's what I feel, because they are like stacking up their money again. Okay, please, they are stacking up their money, but I don't know when it is coming exactly, but it will going to give us more clear, maybe in upcoming weeks, clear move. If it's moved up, then it's like then that technical analysis it will be all change. If it moves down, then it will be all valid, because based on this moves, I feel like the downside is coming at this point, because it's not moving according to my views. So when I'm viewing it, it's not moving according to my views. So that means there's something going on. Definitely there's something going on, and they are filling up their orders. That's what I can tell you. Slowly, and they know what they're exactly doing. Again, it's like a poison. They're feeding you slowly. They don't want to move overnight everything. They can, but they don't want to. They want everybody to get in, basically. They want all the small guys and all the guys, they wanted to get them in, and that's how it will be cracked. Boom. So please be careful. Again, if you're trading, I would like to close my video. I have already made some money, but not that good money, but I still like to close it, because today again, this is every time I say it also, come back tomorrow, trade tomorrow. If you made some money, good, move out, run, take your profit. You don't get paid unless you don't move out of the trade. You don't get paid until unless you move out of the trade. So if you make money, please take that money, run, come next day. That's what I can say. Come next day. Come next day. So again, I don't like these moves, whatever they are coming up these days. So it might come up a little bit more like this on the side and then top, like a dropped. So that's what I'm watching it. I'm watching it very closely at this point. I'm very closely watching the market because that's what I can see their views, how they are turning it. Okay, slowly. They might take it up on top a little bit more, that's what it is, a little bit more right over here. What happened? Yes, right over there, 419. So they are like feeding up their orders right over here, like over here they have already started the short sale. If they are doing it, then because it's not moving according to my view, so if they are selling it, they're going to start doing this, because this candlestick was red, this candlestick was green, so it came up and came down, which is not good. So again, 419, if it goes above 419, then they are moving up. That's what I can say. If they are moving above, then that will be totally thing. So this is a day chart. This is what I'm watching at, and this is what I'm looking right now. So let's see if they are feeding up their sellers or they are feeding the buyers. So far, that's what it is. They're feeding the sellers or they're feeding the buyers. Again, guys, please do your own research. Do your own research. That's what I can say. But please be careful if you're trading any type of a digital market. Again, I'm going to make that video, what I seen and what I'm looking at, what might be the move up or down, how much will be that move. I'll make another video for that. All right, guys. So I have to close this video. It's already like 1 hour now. Thank you very much for checking my video. Again, go check my video very carefully. It's not like a Bitcoin, okay? And this is like S&P cash market, which is like most volatile and most liquid market. It's not like a Bitcoin. That's what I said, and Bitcoin is like totally different, no doubt. Okay, it's totally different. So yes, this is the most liquid market, S&P. I don't even trade DIA. It is liquid, but not that liquid. You see, there's a spread a little bit too, but it is liquid, but not that liquid. That's the reason. But the SPY is the most tradable ETF around the world. No doubt. It's the most traded ETF around the world. So that's what it is. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys up later on, but please hit the like button, subscribe, and please share it with your friends and family. Okay, thank you very much. Peace. Stay blessed and stay in peace as always. Bye.